Summer means that Computex is lurching towards us. But before Team Engadget climbs aboard some absurdly long flights to Taipei, we wanted to give you an idea of what to expect from the show. Computex is dominated by Asus, Taiwan's biggest PC maker, and we're expecting to see plenty of new products from the company. It's already spreading teasers featuring Wonder Woman star Gal Gadot talking about a machine built to unleash your creative power, which is probably a high-end laptop for creative types. We're also expecting to see a new smartphone or two from the company, and Asus' sub-brand Republic of Gamers will have some tasty new high-end laptops to show off at its own separate event. At last year's show, Nvidia showed off Max-Q, an effort to squeeze high-end graphics chips into incredibly thin laptop systems. The ROG Zephyrus, for instance, crammed a GTX 1080 inside a device that was just 16.9mm at its thinnest. Nvidia was able to cram in such powerful graphics thanks to a host of clever hardware and software tweaks. A year later, and we're expecting to see a second generation of Max-Q laptops that offer even better efficiency and heat management. Intel always turns up with something great for the Computex faithful, and we're looking forward to what the company will say. It wasn't too long ago that it started shipping its power-sipping 10nm Cannon Lake chips, but so far they've only popped up in one or two devices. The enthusiast crowd would be interested in hearing more about the company's 18-core X-series chips, which are silly expensive but have the performance to match. We're also intrigued to see if Microsoft, Qualcomm, and others can improve upon their idea of the always-connected laptop. Running Windows on mobile hardware connected to an always-on LTE modem means that you can, in theory, work anywhere, even in the back of a cab. Now they just have to prove that people actually need that in their lives. Another mystery is if VR will get any sort of love at all, especially given how the technology still hasn't made much of an impact on the mainstream. The Oculus Go and Vive Focus are both standalone VR headsets that don't require connections to bulky PCs to work. But it's still too early to know if the public and developers will finally get on board. For everything coming out of Computex 2018, keep your eyes on Engadget. It is the next best thing to being there.